Hello everybody, this is Abdul Bali from onlinetutoring.com and you are learning WordPress. Friends, in previous video we learned about the appearance, the menus in the editor etc, in the widgets as well. In this video we will be looking into this sensational theme that we have already installed, and you can see the website online by just opening it here. We also, if you remember, we changed the title color using the CSS styles in the code editor, and also you can see the website is here, and we posted some content as well. So here's the theme. Every theme you install on WordPress has its own customization panel, or you can say its own site builder. This is having this option over here. When you click this, so you can find the setting for this theme over here. The first thing is the general setting, where you can upload your image logo, and here you can find the size for that, 138 by 35 pixels, and you just need to browse from your computer and upload that to this. Favorite icon, which is always displayed on the top of the browser. Here you can see where you can see my mouse cursor, and you can also add your feed burner URL over here, Twitter username over here, just username, not the full URL. And you can also change this, the description on the home page. If you want to limit it to some characters, so you can put that here. In the copyright notice, you can enter here, for example, like this: all rights reserved by onlinetutoring.com 2014, or you can say, just you need to save this. Click save, it will be saved, and after that go to your website, refresh it, and scroll down below the page, so you are seeing the footer message over here. There is something very simple. You can add header code over here, something like verification code of Google Webmaster Tools, or Bing Webmaster Tools, or Alexa verification code etc. You can add here, because this is the header code section. The data will be the tags or the codes inserted here will be in the source code, not on the body page or in the body section. These all codes will be in the head section of your document. In the footer section is here, where you can insert some tracking tools or some codes about tracking tools like Google Analytics and State Counter or etc. So you can insert them here. They are also hidden from the users, and you can use them. Here is the slider. If the slider option, the checkbox, if you tick this, so the home page slider will be enabled for this website. In this, all settings are in this theme. So if you have any other theme, that might be having different options. So if I check this and save all, and you have also to to add the category from which the sliders will be chosen automatically. For example, I say beauty wallpaper. Now just save all. After saving all, you go to your website and refresh it. So we'll see a slider on the top of the post over here, because there is just one post in that category, so therefore the other sliders will not be coming over here, because there is just a single post. If you add more posts to that category, you will see 3 sliders, but I don't need. I will just untick it. And here is the thumbnail on home page. Thumbnails mean that these wallpapers, with the post, like this is the post image called thumbnail, this is also a thumbnail, so these are enabled, therefore this is checked. If you remove the text from here, so you will not see these wallpapers over here. And the pagination is the numbering sorting order for your links. By default you see never post and older post and some kind of links like that. So you can change them to pagination, a beautiful pagination created by this theme provider. So it is by default checked and you should keep it as that is. Save all. This was basically the general setting for this theme. If you want to go a little bit more advanced with this theme, you just click the styling option over here. So you will see all the styling, for example the primary color, the secondary color, the layout style. If you want to include just one single sidebar, then just click this layout, or if you want to have the sidebar at the left side, then click this one. And you can change the background color as well. The background patterns you can select from here, and if you want to add a custom background image, then you can add that from here. Just click it, and after that browse from your computer any image if you have. I will just add a BG image. I have very small image, but it will be repeated again and again, so it will be looking on all pages. Just scroll down and insert into post. Just click this thing, and after that just save all. You can actually use all these options. I'm not using because I just, now you can see the background is white. If you refresh, so it will be something like blue because I have added custom background. You can see the background has changed. Now it's looking a little beautiful. So the custom background image you have added, if you have a custom CSS code, you can add them here. I think for some sections of your websites or for some widgets, you can add them here. If you want to float the menu, this one, if you want to float this menu, I mean if you scroll down, so this menu will also be coming or will be scrolling with the page. So if you want to do that thing, then just on this floating header. And the same thing you can do for the categories in the sidebar. For example, these categories, or just on them, just like on this and on this, and just save. Okay, and there's something when you refresh, and if you scroll down now, so you will see these things will be coming, but the menu disappeared. I don't know why, because you cannot do both of them. So I will up this one, just save again. There is a light box option as well. Widget to view larger version of the images. So if you on this will show the images inside another box when someone will click that. However, there are more options. For example, single post. For single post, there are many options, like you can add the post meta info, you can use the breadcrumbs menu style, you can highlight the author comment, you can make it on, related post is on, tag links if you want to enable them, just on them, author box and date and comments, image border, whatsoever. Can whenever you change anything over here, just save the page. Okay, the next thing is font. You can select any font for different sections of your site. For example, the title font size, body font size. You can change, there are many fonts you can use from this theme. And the social buttons, you can enable all of them if you want. There are many buttons, for example, to major social networks like Twitter, Google+, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Dig, StumbleUpon, etc. So if you want to enable any button, just click the on and save all. Ad management. In ad management section, you can actually add the ad codes of Google AdSense, buy sell ads, or any other ad network if you have. So you can add the code of the ad unit here if you want to show them below the post title, or if you want to show any ad banner below the post content, so you will insert the code over here. That is very simple. Just add the code and save them all. Don't change this zero value to anything. And the navigation, there is nothing, because the navigation option we already modified using the menu from appearance. So this was just simple setting for this theme called Sensational from My Theme Shop. It's a premium WordPress theme, so you can have any other theme and the similar setting will be there, so you can change them as well. But in the upcoming video I will be talking about a very important part of WordPress, which is plugins, because most of your jobs are done by plugins created by different web developers for helping WordPress community for easy understanding of the CMSs and for doing different tasks very easily. And most of the plugins comes free, so you can use them free, and you can find them in the directory, WordPress plugin directory. So we'll be talking about the plugins, how we can install a new plugin, how we can use the plugin, how can we set that plugin to work properly in WordPress, how can we I will also give you a list of best plugins, or you can say a list of necessary plugins that you must install after installing WordPress or setting your WordPress website. So stay tuned, coming in next tutorial.